私のマラソンタイムは7時間20分9秒です。Welcome to YS Online. Ako po si Dice with the Y Suzuki Nihongo Learning Center in Quezon City, the Philippines. If you are studying for the Japanese language exams like the JLPT, JFT Basic A2 exam, the NAT-Test, the J-Test, or you simply want to understand your favorite anime better, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be one of the first to gain access whenever we come out with new videos. In our previous lessons, we learned how to express the span of time in days, weeks, months, and years. In today's lesson naman, we are going to tackle shorter time periods. So instead of days, weeks, months, and years, this time we're going to talk about hours, minutes, and seconds. So yung mga oras, minuto, at segundo. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to tell us about your marathon times in Japanese. Dapat sana mas mabilis ka sa akin, no? If you'd like a refresher for days, weeks, months, and years, be sure to check out our previous lessons, links in the description box below. So, our hours, minutes, and seconds in Japanese is jikan, pun, and byo. Okay, so let's start with hours muna. Sa mga nakaraang lessons natin, ipinakilala natin si ji para sabihin yung oras. So, 1 o'clock is ichiji, 2 o'clock is niji, 3 o'clock is sanji. Ngayon naman, dadagdagan natin siya ng time span. So, if you remember from our previous lessons, ano yung time span natin? Right. So, that is kang. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is dudugtungan natin si ji and si kang. So, meron tayong ji kang. So, ang gagawin natin is ilalagay lang natin ang number followed by ji kang. So, let's go back to our chart again. For our hour, we have ichiji kan, niji kan, sanji kan, yoji kan. Remember, hiiksayin natin si yon. Katulad nung sa 4 o'clock, hindi siya yonji, kung hindi yoji. So, same here siya. Yoji kan. Now, we have 5 hours. We have 5 hours. We have goji kan. 6 hours, 6時間, 7 hours, 7時間, 8 hours, 8時間, and for 9 hours, we have 9時間, not 9時間, 9時間. Alright, let's continue. 10 hours is 10時間, 11 hours, 11時間, and 12 hours, 12時間. Simple? Simple. Nakuha ba natin yung mga patterns? Okay, next naman si minutes, right? So again, sa past lessons natin, ipinakilala natin si minutes using the word fun or pun. So ang 101 sa oras, di ba? It's ichiji ipun siya. In minutes and seconds, as is lang siya kung paano natin sila natutunan sa pag-express ng time, same lang sa span of time. So, parang review na lang natin ito. So, here we go. 1 minute, ippun. 2 minutes, nifun. 3 minutes, sampun. 4 minutes, yonpun. 5 minutes, gofun. 6 minutes, roppun. 7 minutes, nanafun. 8 minutes, happun. 9 minutes, kyufun. And 10 minutes is juppun. Keep going. 11, 11 分, and 12, 12 分. Again, tandaan natin na pag lumipas tayo ng 10 minutes, ang final number ang magde-decide kung fun lang siya or pun siya with the handakuon, no? So for 11, since ending niya is 1, magiging 11 pun siya. And for 12, since the ending is 2, magiging 12 pun siya. And so on and so forth. So we have 13 minutes is 13 pun, 14 minutes is 14 pun, 15 is 15 pun, 16 minutes is 16 pun, 17 minutes is 17分, 18, 18分, 19, 19分, and lastly, 20分. So, ready na ba kayo mag-refresh ng konti? Alright, let's try, let's say, 59 minutes. Bigyan ko kayo ng 10 seconds para makapag-isip kayo kung paano sabihin ito in Japanese, right? Alright, ready? So, hopefully by now, kabisado na natin ang mga numbers, no? Ang 59 natin in Japanese is 59. Since ang ending natin in 59 or 59 is 9, fu ang ending natin. So, we have 59 fu. Alright, if you got this, well done. Next, let's move on to seconds. Seconds, right? So, ang salita natin for seconds in Japanese ay byo. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina kung paano natin inaral ang seconds sa pag-express ng time, same lang din dito sa span of time. So, madali lang yan, right? It's byo. For seconds, hallelujah, wala tayong exceptions dito. So, sasabihin lang natin ang number tapos dadagdagan lang natin ng byo. So, let's try together. 1 byo, 2 byo, 3 byo, 4 byo, 5 byo, 6 byo, 7 byo, 8 byo, 9 byo, 10 byo, and so on and so forth. So ito, alam na natin kung paano magsabi ng ilang hours, ilang minutes, ilang seconds. Now, let's try to combine them, no? Halimbawa, imbes na, let's say, 5 oras lang, paano natin kaya sasabihin na 5 oras at 20 minuto? Okay, so for hours and minutes or for hours and seconds, sasabihin muna natin ang jikan. Pagkatapos nun, hindi na tayo magsasabi ng fun sa huli. So, stop tayo as fun or pun. Balik tayo sa example natin. 5 hours and 20 minutes. 5 oras at 20 minuto. So, uunahin muna natin si 5 hours. Paano natin sasabihin si 5 hours? 5 jikan. And then, after ni 5 jikan, 20 minutes na. Pero walang kang sa huli. So, bali, 20分siya. Put it together, that's 5 jikan 20分. So, same rule siya pag hours and seconds. Halimbawa, let's say 5 hours and 20 seconds. Unay natin si 5 jikan and then byo na kagad. No more kang sa huli ng byo. So, we have 5 jikan 20秒. Next, medyo complicated na. Paano naman kung minutes and seconds lang? So instead na 5 hours and 20 seconds, magiging 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Bali ganito siya. 5分20秒. Ang OCD naman ng gumawa ng Japanese, no? Anyway, as always, sanayan lang yan. So make sure na nagna-notes tayo at mag-take tayo ng mga quiz natin. Okay, so that's it for today sa ating span of time with hours, minutes, and seconds. We are now at the end of our time span series where we learned how to say days, weeks, months, years, and for shorter periods like hours, minutes, and seconds. It's a lot to take, so again, if you want to take a refresher on all of the other time periods, make sure to rewatch, look back on our other videos in the description box below. Remember guys, sanayin lang yan, right? So, just watch all the videos as many times as you need to. Yeah, keep on going. Now, it helps if you are a full YS Online member out there because you can take a bunch of different quizzes and keep on refreshing your knowledge para pumasok talaga sa utak natin, no? As many times as needed. And if you're interested in learning about our full online program, welcome! Check us out at www.ysnlc.com. I hope some of you guys will reach out to us because we're waiting for you. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who want to learn Japanese for fun. And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe para ma-notify kayo every time na may bago tayong videos na lumalabas. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Ja! Mata ne!